Not really, sir. I don't think there's anyone who has troubled me. If there's anybody responsible for my troubles, I think it's, you know, it's my luck, it's my destiny, it's me, it's stuff like that. It's my journey. It's my journey. And only from, see, when I, there's a check कि अगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता मेरी लाइफ के अंदर छोटा मोटा तो I would have been a different person. So it just keeps everything छोटा trouble होना चाहिए लाइफ के अंदर. So it keeps you grounded somewhere. It keeps you real somewhere. It keeps you balanced. You know, you don't think no end of yourself. You know, it knows कि यार ये किसी भी तरफ जा सकता है. You know, you can come out of it. You're सुलझावा. You know, as soon as you come in, I see a lot of people come in, they start thinking no end of themselves. And then finish, out, gone. We've been lucky, you know, and plus I've got a very strong family support, which, you know, keeps me going. My friend circle, especially the press, has been really kind to me.
Salman, one more. Salman.
Bharti Singh Chata Maru.
Salman, one more thing.
Yeah.
One thing that we have been looking forward for the past seasons and which has not happened is perhaps your reunion with Shah Rukh on Bigg Boss. He has always had a film to be released. So will we see it happen this time? Because you have always been extending an invitation. He has also been open to coming and promoting his film on Bigg Boss. So a film with you and Shah Rukh is not a possibility. So at least
it's a possibility.
But what about in Bigg Boss? Dilwale is also coming up.
No, I don't think he'll be busy to go inside. No, I don't think he'll go in. Why not promoting? No, I would love him. I would love him to now see. He knows that I don't mean it. It means if he has the dates and if he wants to come onto the show, he's more than welcome. If he wants to come and go and spend some time with the contestants, he's more than welcome. So I would put it like that because then it's carried away in a different thing and there's pressure put there. So he's coming. He should come. He should promote. Come have fun. Go inside. You know, chit chat with the contestants. Give them, you know, his life's experience. You know, he's got a lot of experience in life, and then